Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on innovative products hitting the market. Today, we have something truly sweet to share with you: the Cocoa Press Chocolate 3D Printer.
Yes, you heard that right, a printer that lets you create delicious chocolate creations right at home.
Let's dive into the details.
First off, let's talk about what makes the Cocoa Press stand out.
Priced at $1,499, it's not the cheapest option out there, but it's the first one that promises to bring chocolate printing to the consumer market seamlessly. The build volume is 140 by 150 by 150 millimeters, allowing for decent-sized chocolate creations. And get this, it can extrude up to 65 grams of chocolate in a single print.
That's enough to satisfy even the sweetest tooth.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room: assembly. This is a DIY kit, so be prepared to spend some time putting it together.
Cocoa Press estimates about 10 hours, but in my experience, it took closer to 14.
However, the assembly guide provided is top-notch, making the process much smoother.
Once assembled, the Cocoa Press is a breeze to use. It comes with a large and colorful LCD touchscreen, making navigation a cinch. And the best part? No post-processing equipment is required. Your chocolate creations come out perfect every time. Speaking of creations, let's talk about the chocolate itself. Cocoa Press offers 65-gram chocolate cores in dark, milk, and white variants. While the price may seem a bit steep initially, considering the unique experience and the joy of printing your chocolate, it's well worth it. Now, let's talk about the software.
The Cocoa Press uses Prusa Slicer, a reliable slicing software that's easy to use. It allows for basic CAD manipulation, so you can customize your designs without any hassle. And the printing process itself?
It's a treat to watch.
Whether you're printing a simple design or something more intricate, the Cocoa Press delivers smooth and consistent results every time.
Plus, the taste? Divine. Maintenance is also a breeze. The build platform comes with removable silicone mats that are easy to clean.
The printer itself is designed for easy access to components, making troubleshooting a pain-free experience.
In conclusion, the Cocoa Press Chocolate 3D Printer is a game-changer for anyone with a sweet tooth and a love for creativity. While it may come with a bit of a learning curve and a higher price tag, the joy of printing your chocolate creations at home is truly priceless. That's it for today's review on Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products.
Until next time, happy printing!